behaviors. We've seen a lot of flying. We've seen some hunting techniques. And we saw our parrots do a lot of interesting things, copy and mimic sounds and body language. Well, we have another parrot that's going to come out here, and he's going to do something you might not expect from a parrot. We have a military macaw, and he's doing a little bit of climbing. Military macaws can be found in regions of Mexico, very limited regions of Central America and Mexico, and they live in the forest. And sometimes when you're living in the forest, it's easier to climb around than to try and fly around to get where you're going. Now, there are 17 species of macaws in the world, and they all have a couple things in common. They're all found in Central and South America. They all are very brightly colored. They all have very large beaks, which they use to climb and also to crack into the nuts that they eat. And they also have a long, colorful tail. That long tail helps them to keep their balance when they're climbing, when they're flying, but also when they're eating. Sometimes when they're eating, they'll pick up a foot and hold their food in their foot, and that long tail helps them to keep their balance while they're doing that. Now, as well as the 17 species of macaws, there are over 300 different types of parrots in the world. There's some bad news that goes along with that. Of the 330 species of parrots in the world, almost a third are threatened with, vulnerable to, or in danger of extinction. Not all of them are as common to see as cockatoos in Australia. And that is some bad news. But luckily, there's some good news. Right here at the Minnesota Zoo and all over the world, there are conservation efforts going on right now to help save all those threatened and endangered birds, which hopefully means we'll never have to watch them disappear, except hopefully right on cue at the bird show when they're supposed to go. That was our military macaw, everybody.